Today in my carnivorous plant room, we have a beetle that's feared worldwide by gardeners. Destructive in its nature, and a single female beetle like this can start an entire new population. You can see the vine weevil, one of the gardener's worst enemies, but perfect food for a Venus flytrap. I've recently filmed one of these in the larval stage on a sundew, but this one quickly enters my fly traps and is caught. I change angle so we can see that again. This beetle has been half captured, and little do I know, it will soon escape straight back into the jaws of another trap. But whilst it's caught, it gives me the opportunity to look at its strange robotic style. The way it moves its legs. These adults are flightless and their wing cases are fused together, so they get around by crawling and climbing in this strange robotic way. And here you can see some damage that has been caused by these strange insects at night. But if they wander into the wrong trap, they can easily be caught, and I have found the remains and the carcasses in traps that have digested them in the past. Sometimes the best shots in this carnivorous plant room take both cameras. Once again I zoom in to have a look at this robotic dance. At the moment it doesn't look like it can escape, but I assure you it can. As its little legs move, it manages to get grip on another trap and on a leaf, and soon pulls itself free. However, there are waiting traps all around it. The trap quickly snaps shut, and the capture is far better this time. Let's have a look from a different angle. You can even see in the creature's movement here, it's still very robotic, very strange. And then when I'm filming, I suddenly noticed this strange flatworm crawling across the soil. This is another predator, and this will probably be attacking some of the springtails and other creatures on the fly traps. I switch to a time lapse to see if the creature can escape this one. You can see it moving and flexing inside the trap. And then I leave it on for around 3 hours. You can see how the plant reacts, other traps slightly closing and flexing and bending. This is as moisture is pulled from other parts of the plant to help with digestion. These beetles and their larvae quite often end up in my fly trap room and give me an opportunity to film and an opportunity for my fly traps to feed. As the digestion continues, I look back on the footage just to have another look at this strange robotic looking creature that is now food for my plant.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.